Jack, boy, free the Kodak. They must have heard me Jack, boy, before you roll that. I'll take your chain too.
Not me here, though.
What y'all say y'all prefer light skins, dark skin?
Anything that got that shalong thing right there. Dark skin.
Why though?
Cause they fun.
Cause I'm dark skin.
I love me a dark man.
Okay, cool. So rate me 1 out of 10.
10, please. 9.5.
9.5. Finna fuck around, make a couple shun you, feel me? Oh, you can sing? Let me hear a high note real quick.
Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows.
Hey, so look though, how y'all get down? Y'all some freaks?
I'm free.
You a freak? You a freakity? 1 through 10, how freaky you is?
10.
How freaky you is 1 out of 10?
20.
You a freak?
Yeah.
Give me a 360 for the camera.
Ain't nothing there.
You want me to make something right there? Show me you a freak.
Oh!
These folks got goddamn hit this shit. No cap. Man, cause I got it and I like fighting. Eat that. You in the rush? Where we going? Get some drink time. Want some drink time?
Yeah. What it is?
You train for the whole game, you did what I'm saying? Whole game. I eat whole game. No bullshit. No rap cap. I can't hold all these bitches though. These man, leave hold these bitches. You gotta knee on the hood. Phone Jack, boy, free the Kodak. They must have heard me Jack, boy, before you roll that. I'll take your chain too.
Not me here, though.
1,000 like I'll snatch your chain right now on God. Look, he running. I got his ass running.
Naya.
Alright, cool. So where we from again? Alabama?
Alabama.
That little country ass tried to pipe up all the camera, you did what I'm saying. But look, what y'all say y'all prefer light skins or dark skins?
Light skin.
Oh, she a light skin type of nigga, you did what I'm saying. What about you?
Dark skin.
What it is, bro? You trying to sell something? Let me come pop your shit real quick.
See what's going on? RJ, you feel
commercial.
Hey, stop playing with my boy like that. Fuck with you after the video. I'm fuck with you after the video. Alright, so look though, how y'all get down? Y'all some freaks?
I'm free.
You a freak? You a freakity? 1 through 10, how freaky you is?
10.
A 10?
I'm free.
What about you?
Like a 3.
Like a 3? Show me you a freak.
What you mean? Don't play.
Show me you a freak.
Don't play
right
cause
now.
we in this mall.
I don't care. Y'all can come by. You a freak. Hold on, we
How
ain't
you want me to
done.
show you you're free?
I don't know, you told me. Hold on, the camera ain't see. She in the way, pipe up one more time for the camera.
Oh!
Alright, so who I'm here with?
Lauren.
Why we talking so low?
That's how I felt.
Okay, so we just chopped it up before the video started. So she a keeper, so I ain't gonna do too much. You dig what I'm saying? So first off, what you prefer, light skin or dark skin?
Dark skin.
Why though?
Cause they fun.
Cause I'm dark skin. Where me 1 out of 10?
9.5.
Think I'm cute, she wanna have sex.
9.5. Finna fuck around, make a couple shun you, feel me? This the real question I got. You a freak? 1 out of 10, how freaky you is?
Why?
You broke the scale? Let me find out you broke the scale. We're gonna have to see that off camera.
Can't say too much.
You can't say too much. Show me you a freak. Too many people watching?
Yeah.
You sure? Oh, this is gonna happen when the camera off. So who I'm here with?
Tiggy.
Tiggy, she from New York too. She from the city. You know the vibes.
West Coast,
No cap, pop your shit.
West Side. I mean,
What?
She talking about West Coast. She don't even know what she from.
no, I'm from New York, but I'm on the West Side in New York.
Okay, cool. So check me out. Rate me 1 out of 10. Oh, she got it. I'm chilling.
Son.
Y'all go to audiomac.com/Raquel Majesty and look up my music.
Oh yeah.
No rap cap.
Sing it,
No.
right?
Oh, you can sing. Let me hear a high note real quick.
Do something real
Yeah,
quick.
only like a couple hundred.
Do a
thousand.
song. Sing Mariah Carey.
No,
Say we belong together.
Yeah,
Let me
we-
hear a high note.
yeah.
We belong
I can't hit no
together.
damn high note. Now I'm in a damn mall.
Okay, just do
everybody-
Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Okay. What you say your stuff was again?
Audiomac.com/Raquel Majesty.
Okay, it's still on the screen. So what you was saying? Rate me 1 out of 10.
I'm gonna give you an 8.
Yeah, okay, cool. So this the question of the day. You a freak?
What?
Rachel, how freaky you is 1 out of 10?
20.
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
I'm a good girl. I go to church every Sunday.
How far? But turn around, let the camera see how good you look. You good. Who I'm here with?
Yanni.
You just told me your name was something else.
No, I did not.
I'm just playing. Alright, cool. So what you prefer, light skins or dark skins?
Anything that got that shalom thing right there.
Nasty bitch. He belongs to the streets.
Anything that got that shalom thing right there.
So we perfect fit, man. So rate me 1 out of 10. I'm chill day.
You're like a little 7.5, 8.
We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend.
Ooh, she said I'm like a little 7.5, 8. I'm gonna change your mind though. So you a freak?
Yeah.
Rate your freakiness 1 out of 10.
When I'm high, like 10. When I'm sober, like a 5.
When you high like 10, so nigga gotta get you geeked up.
Yeah.
I said I got that Zaza in.
Oh man, here we go.
I got good gas, man. What you want? But 3.5, 100 though. 100 for a 3.5.
That ain't nothing. You see this right here? They said Big Bang.
Oh. Okay, cool. So show me you a freak.
Not this mall, not this mall.
Not in the mall. Give me a 360 for the camera. I'm saying, might as well show the camera how good you look.
Ain't nothing there.
You said ain't nothing there? It's a lot there.
Ain't nothing there.
You want me to make something right there?
Good boy.
I can get a bid for you. Let me show you.
You're annoying as hell.
Let me show you how.
You is hell, bro.
Nah, we be getting active. So who I'm here with?
Jesse James.
Okay, I'm with the beautiful Jessie James. So we just had a long conversation before this video started, but pop your shit. Where you from again?
The Dirty Love.
Okay, cool. If y'all don't know what that is, man.
That's the 313 Detroit.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So, what you prefer, light skins or dark skins?
I love me a dark man.
Okay, cool. So rate me 1 out of 10.
10, please.
10, please. Okay, cool. Okay, so no disrespect. This is a little question for the video. How freaky are you? Rate on the scale through 1 through 10. How freaky would you say you is?
Oh, it's over a 10. Y'all not ready for all that.
It is what it is.
Over a 10.
It's over a 10 like
It's
that?
over a 10.
Okay, cool.
Absolutely.
Okay, cool.
Y'all have a good one.
Alright, so who I'm here with?
Bree,
Okay, tell them where you from again.
Chicago.
On 4th grade, you did what I'm saying. But she from 63rd though.
Alright, don't even do that.
Check me out though.
Somebody be looking for me.
Check me out though. What you prefer, light skin or dark skin?
Dark skin.
Okay, why though? Cause I'm right here.
No, I just don't like light skin.
Why you don't like light skin?
Brown skin, dark skin. That's it.
That's it. Okay, rate me 1 out of 10.
6.
She gave me a 6. Okay, check me out. So the question of the day is, no disrespect, is you a freak? Rate your freakiness 1 out of 10.
None of y'all damn business.
None of our business. Just like that.
Just like how old y'all live? 30. 26.
I bet I like them all. This cool though, you feel me? But goddamn, which y'all prefer?
Dark.
Why dark?
Huh?
Why dark?
They usually have the bigger dicks.
Well, you wrong in this case. This the real question though. Hypothetically speaking, right? Out of me and my homeboys, who's more likely to smash? Ain't no hard feelings.
I'ma smash him.
Why? Both of y'all gonna smash? Y'all like the money. Oh, she finna. She up in the bag on me. Hold on. We ain't never seen it. We ain't never seen it.
The time one take, get it to the bread, no cake. Shout out to my nigga Lee Bake. This for OVO, no Drake. They said that wouldn't be shit. Now the fucking tables turn.